Pizza and spaghetti. What do you have on your hair? What do you have on your hair? What's on your head? What's on the head? You put spaghetti up there? you got it! Yay! Now you gonna eat it? It's really sticky, huh? Yummy, yum, yum. Thank you. There you go. Thank you. Manny, come here. Good job. Eating spaghetti.
I don't want that. You could have it.
Thank you. Ugh.